Okay, this is Uncle Kai Fong, which just made a dramatic fall. That's his first serious fall of the day. Before I langgar and someone. Okay, there's another gentleman that's fall down. See, every falls, it's okay.
It's okay to fall, it's not a problem. I'm not worried about falling.
Okay, so your plough must be as big as mine.
Okay.
It's not as big as mine.
Can.
This kind of, basically is this kind of plough all the way. Go grab your skis, put them on. Let's go. Okay. Okay, Emily coming down. Oops. Stay away from me, Emily.
Emily is quite good, right?
Towards your right. No, don't crash into me. Slow down. Must you do this? Oh, you see. Okay, from this way, this way. Okay, go.
I worry.
Okay, don't worry. Yeah, okay. Emily, you sure you're going down this way? Oh, shit. She went down this way, man.
My wife is down there because I'm not confident of bringing.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. He just have his first baptism of fire. Okay, put on your ski vest. Yeah, sideway.
Sideway, yeah.
You are like, I don't. You put down your ski vest. The catch behind must go down. Yep. Use your feet. Use your feet. Use your feet. Use your feet. Right. Yep.
Alrighty. Go.
Use your feet. Use your.
I do it.
Okay, sideway.
Okay. Sideways,
Sideway.